Pia, because I can't think of a question that has not been asked yet. But let's try. You always come up with surprises. You know, I grabbed a drink before the start of the show. I met a young boy. His name is Jervin Tamayo, somewhere here. And then he wants to ask me, if you were one of the judges in the finals, the final night, and you were not one of the contestants, who would you have chosen as Miss Universe?
I really, being unbiased, the boy, I really like Miss USA. Because when I got the chance to speak to her while we were still candidates, basically, we hit it off right away. She was very genuine, very warm, and we also have a lot of things in common because, like me, she also joined a few times. So she knows what it's like to join pageants, and it was a long journey for her as well getting there.
Okay, since we're talking about Miss USA, nabasa natin sa mga sites. I'm talking about Paraguay, I'm talking about, was that Australia? I can be wrong. Germany. They didn't say, you know, very nice words about you and Miss Colombia. They use words like stuck up, distant, or guarded. What do you want to say?
Well, with Miss Paraguay, for example, I wasn't able to really talk to her because she can't speak English. Or maybe that's how it is. So, ang hirap kasi pilitin mo yung sarili mo kung meron kayong language barrier. So, I think it's only natural that you would communicate with candidates who you're more comfortable with. So that's understandable. But for the others, I think that there are 80 candidates and activities are happening simultaneously. So you don't get to see the same girl every day. I might not see Miss Australia for 3 days, because she's doing something else and I'm doing something else. So it's really difficult to become best friends with everybody. I had a very solid group of friends in Miss Universe.
Like?
I was very close with Miss Malaysia, Miss China, and Miss Myanmar because we were all under one supervisor. And I was very close to the Asian candidates. Miss Dominican Republic was very nice. Miss Mexico was very nice to me. South Africa also, and Bahamas. I really liked her as well. And Bolivia.